What's up, Jamaican style rice and peas. Guys, please remember to wash your rice. Wet your rice. Your rice needs to be washed. Stay tuned for my Jamaican style rice and peas. Welcome back. Jamaican style rice and peas with red kidney beans, garlic powder, chicken bouillon, black pepper, a little salt, cooking butter, scallion, green onion, thyme, pimento seeds, and don't forget coconut milk, either the tin one, the one from the shell, or the powdered mix. But I don't really like to use the powder mix one. Yeah, your girl boil onions in hers, and I have another Jamaican style rice and peas video on my YouTube channel. It's been a while, I have done it. Lots of garlic, pimento seeds. Yes girls, soak the peas from overnight to cook the rice and peas. And once this was cooked, my peas was ready, then I added in my coconut milk and my seasoning. Once you can feel the peas, or you can see that they're cracking, lots of garlic overnight. And here in this, when I buy my shell coconut, yes, your girl, crack them, blend them, and then I freeze them. Or you can also buy the frozen packet one. That one is lit because it has coconut trash in it. Add a little pepper if you have. That's not scotch bonnet, that's just a green pepper. To add a little flavor, if you want bust it in the pot, just burst it. Some scallion and some thyme and some bay leaf. What is Jamaican style rice and peas without the scallion and all that type of herb and spices? Yes, allow to boil. Once this is boiled and you taste your pot and it tastes delicious, then you can wash your rice and add your rice. Remember to wash the rice. The rice needs to be underwater. Wet your rice before you add it in your pot. Once I mixed and I tasted my pot and it tasted yummy, then your girl put in our wash rice. Please remember, once you add your rice, you're supposed to stir the rice. Don't allow the water to be swimming or covering up your rice. Don't make the water drown the rice. There you can see my rice through my peas and my whatever I use to make my rice and peas. Once I stirred my rice in, I added under medium heat and I left this to boil for 10 minutes on medium heat. Once the water is dried out, I love to add fall to mine, and then I leave it on low heat. This took approximately, I would say, an hour to cook. At the end of the day, this is what my rice turns out to be. You want a shelly rice? This is it, lit. Please check out my other Jamaican style rice and peas if you want a more in-depth video from start to finish. Please let me know and I can take you through the whole process. Welcome to my channel. Don't be mean with it. Please remember to give your girl a like. It is free. You can eat this by itself or you can have it with whatever protein you choose to. I just wanted to show you some Jamaican style rice and peas because every now and then I do cook some. Thank you for tuning in and see you soon in another video. On your way in, on your way out. Don't forget to give your girl a like you like. Thank you.